Motherwell and Hamilton have each been awarded 3 points after their games against St Mirren were postponed due to positive COVID tests on the part of the Paisley club. Motherwell also have an additional 3 points added because their game at Kilmarnock was similarly postponed. Motherwell were due to play St Mirren on October 17, with Saints pulling out just 3 hours before the game. Similarly, Accies were due to clash with St Mirren in Paisley on October 24, but the hosts couldn't provide a team. Motherwell's game against Kilmarnock at Rugby Park on October 2 has also been given to the Fir Park club as a WN. In each case, Motherwell and Accies have been awarded a 3-0 win. That puts Hamilton level with St Mirren on 11 points at the foot of the Premiership, while Motherwell are in 5th place, a point above Dundee United. Disciplinary proceedings regarding St Mirren and Kilmarnock were brought before an SPFL board subcommittee sitting as a tribunal, chaired by an independent senior solicitor and involving a sheriff who is highly experienced in sports disputes. England enters 3-tier system of restrictions as lockdown ends. Brexit briefing, 29 days until the end of the transition period. PMQ's roundup as Boris Johnson faces questions on vaccine rollout. Boris Johnson, vaccine is good news but not the end of our national struggle. Pfizer UK boss, vaccine approval, incredible moment. Downing Street vaccine briefing, the key point is COVID-19 vaccine, who will get it, when and how. Regulator, no corners cut in assessing COVID-19 vaccine safety. Gyms and pools reopen as lockdown lifts across England. Chinese space probe collects moon samples. Matt Hancock reacts to vaccine approval. Early morning queues as thousands of non-essential shops reopen in England. COVID-19 jab approved in UK, with vaccination to start next week. The Royal Botanic Gardens are lighting up for Christmas at Kew. World famous Stonehenge illuminated in dedication to unsung champions of UK heritage. At least 5 people killed after German man drives car into crowd. Kilmarnock admitted a number of breaches of the SPFL's COVID-19 regulations during the lead up to their postponed match against Motherwell. These involved seating arrangements on the coach and at the pre-match meal for an away game, with the club admitting there was a failure to observe physical distancing. A fine of £40,000 was imposed, suspended until June 30, 2021, pending any further breaches of the SPFL's COVID-10 regulations. St Mirren admitted a number of breaches of the SPFL's COVID-19 regulations, involving the seating arrangements on the coach and pre-match meal for an away game. In both cases there was a failure to observe physical distancing by the players and staff. Additionally, St Mirren admitted failing to provide suitable facilities to enable players to observe physical distancing at training and also accepted that players had been car sharing to and from training. A fine of £40,000 has also been imposed, suspended until June 30, 2021, pending any further breaches of the SPFL's COVID-19 regulations by the club. An SPFL spokesman said, the COVID-19 regulations put in place by the SPFL and the detailed protocols issued by the SPFL, Scottish FA Joint Response Group are intended to enable season 2020-21 to continue with the minimum of disruption and the minimum risk for those players and coaching staff involved. Strict adherence to these regulations and protocols is therefore crucially important in order for season 2021 to be completed as scheduled. We note the admission by each of Kilmarnock and St Mirren that they breached SPFL regulations and commend both clubs for the measures that their boards have recently put in place to avoid a repeat of the circumstances that led to the postponement of these matches in October.